I've actually got myself some spacers. I will put the link in the description below. So I've got a coffee. So by the time it takes me to finish off my coffee, hopefully this should be completed, and I'm just gonna film the process on how I've done it. But there's plenty of stuff on the YouTube doing this, so it's nothing new really. So I'm just gonna do some really fast forward motions on how I'm doing this. But it will be interesting to find out why. There must be a reason, because I've not experienced this on any other motorbikes before. Okay, so taking the screws out, and that's left me with this. Put this here, and I can actually see where the issue is. Wow, you can see it right there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this off as well. Oh, that's lovely. That fits like a glove. Okay, that's the first one done. I did say that I'm going to do this by the time I finish the coffee, so I'm still having my coffee. Sorted. So these two triangle styles screws fits the lower case into the, so that looks like it bolts that in. That looks good. You don't want to over tighten it, it's just lovely. So this little cutout here, there's a little plastic cutout that goes into this hole here, and that secures it in. This must be the most easiest mod I've ever done. Oh my days. Oh god, that is wicked. Oh, that is better. No sloppiness at all. It's absolutely great now. Perfect. Yes, feels lovely. Hello YouTube again. Yes, I'm just testing out the throttle, and I can safely say it definitely makes a difference. Just simple things like low speed, where I used to grab a fistful of throttle. There's no jerkiness or delay. It's really hard to say, because I've kind of got used to it really, riding this bike for 6 months. Now riding it again, it feels like a new bike, to be quite honest. But yeah, definitely liking it. So I know this time that every time I twist the right arm,
know, I'm getting the full sensation of my bike. You know, there's no slight delay, so I'm happy with that. Really happy with that modification. Yeah, I like it. Definitely a mod which is worth doing, that's for sure. It's quite expensive. It's £35 though, and that's not including like delivery as well. So yeah, so anyway, so this is the Ulster. I'm signing out until another time. See you guys later. Bye for now.